Hi everyone. Today is a very exciting day because look at what just came in. It's supposed to be, and I say supposed because I bought it on eBay and like you never know, but it's supposed to be a Nardi Shift Knob. And look at how beautiful it is. It even says Nardi Torino right there with no spelling mistakes. So hopefully it's a real one, but I'm going to try and install it. It's going to be a short video, and I'll see you downstairs in the Miata. It's so clean. Oh, I miss this car. It's been like 2 days I didn't drive it. 2 days. Not a lot, huh? But I miss it. This has got to go. And we're gonna replace it with the Nardi that I just received. The Nardi knob that I got came with adapters. I don't know if I'm gonna need it, but we'll see. At least I have them. In theory, you're supposed to twist it to unscrew it. I have no idea if it's gonna work. No, I don't think it's working. There's something. It's not a screw, but there's something. Aha! Oh, would you look at that, how disgusting it is. At least that's off. Let me get some pliers. I found pliers. I'm gonna try and unscrew this thing. It's gripped. It's gonna be much longer than anticipated. I'm gonna try and film it from above. Alright, I had to lower the handbrake in order to be able to twist it like this. I will speed it up for you guys, but it's gonna be long. Let's go, it's almost here. It's almost here, it's almost here. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. Oof. Oh, this is disgusting. It's not interesting, it's disgusting. What did they do on this poor car? They put some sort of tape, glue thing. Let me get a rag. They put some sort of like sealant tape. Forgot the name. Okay, hopefully I can screw it on. Okay. I need an adapter. Okay, there's 3 sizes. The smallest one for sure is not fitting. Then I have these 2. One of them seems to be fitting, but I think the thread is completely done. And I don't want to dismantle everything. Clearly, something's wrong with it. Something is definitely wrong with it. Okay, let's try and squeeze this one in. Ooh, it seems like it is going in, but it's going in crooked. I think it's because the thread is like done. The thread is done. I have little options but to either force it in and hope everything goes well, or try and change the thread. I don't even know if that's something that's doable. Let's see if I can just force it on. Well, we have a problem. I broke the little ring. The ring broke. The ring definitely broke. Would you look at that? It's wonderful. I was wondering, I was like, oh, it just got easier. Nope, it didn't. The ring just decided to leave the place. So, we try again, but without the ring. Hopefully I don't ruin the thread. Can't even see if it's like turning or not. How many threads do you think I'm gonna ruin? It's done. This one is done. Okay, update. Because the thread of the shifter is ruined, I cannot screw on the adapter. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to put a shifter without an adapter. That is amazing. Maybe I can get an adapter somewhere. I have to do a bit more research. Anywho, I still have one little adapter left. It's bigger than the one I broke. I have electrical tape, which is a thin tape that is slightly sticky that you can like mold to the thread. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to roll this around the stripped gear shifter and see if by any chance I can put the bigger adapter on there and then put my knob, because right now the car is not drivable and I want to be able to drive the car. So let's do this. What the hell did I buy? Don't think this is very solid if you ask me. Alright, I got carried away, obviously, and basically I forgot to continue filming. Here is what happened. So, I was able to get it in a tiny bit. It's relatively solid for now, so I can still drive the car. However, if you take the knob and you screw it on, first of all, it looks amazing. But then I have this problem that I'm not entirely sure how to solve, which is this. Maybe I'm gonna put like a dot of super glue. I'll put like a dot of super glue so that it holds, because if not, it falls down and it looks disgusting. I tried to put it in here in this rim, which I think it's what it's for. However, this is rock solid and I cannot stretch it. But yeah, it looks really nice. It's not exactly the same tint as the handbrake, so I will do something about that, but honestly, I can vibe with this. I can vibe with this as long as I'm able to fix this. It should work. I'm gonna have to rethread the shifter, and by rethreading the shifter, I'll be able to get another adapter put it on there, and hopefully I'll be able to have it sit. I'm unscrewing it. I'm gonna show you where I want it to sit. Basically, it should sit somewhere around here, which is a much nicer feel when you're driving, because it would go all the way up to the top. Unfortunately, because it's look at me breaking everything. Unfortunately, because it's not threaded properly, this part, the shifter, I can't do that. So it's gonna sit super high for now. Looks a bit ratchet, but yeah, I don't really have a choice, because, well, this one here, I broke it while removing it, and it's all stripped, and yeah, I went at it like a savage. So I cannot put this one back, and this new one here, even though it's very nice, is sitting too high for me, and I don't like it. Looking at it now, I'm thinking that maybe I change it to a regular black one, or maybe a silver one to match this part. I am going to fix everything. It's just it's gonna take time. So it could have been much worse, let's put it this way. At least I'm able to drive the car. My name is Leo, and I'm the weird French dude that's working on a Miata right now. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!